Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Guys, I haven't been feeling good. Even though y'all see me went out, I wasn't feeling okay, but I am happy because I got my pin last week. I know I put a little clip about it this week. But yes guys, I received my pin and I'm super excited. You know, my son, I said, I shouldn't put up nothing or whatever. But I feel good, guys, so I'm not in the best of everything, you know? My sinus is... Whew! My sinus is beating me left, right, and center. So yes, guys, I actually got my pin. And I'm super excited. Reason being, it didn't take long for me to get it. It come like in a week and 5 days. I get my pin so quick. Like everything was super quick. I don't know if it's because I'm in the States, but everything was so quick from the day when I reached the watch hours, because I did already reach 1,000. First, like guys, you see my journey with this. My journey with this YouTube is like a year ago. A lot of y'all won't understand. I start YouTube, then I stopped, then I start back. When I start with YouTube, I was like at 200 and something or 300 and something subscriber. I was at 300 and something subscriber. Yes, when I start back. And I keep pushing. Cause I say I got to do this. You know, then it have a time I actually gave up. I give up. Like I said, I not really kill out myself and think. But I say, but this is something that I love, so I gotta post same way. But I not study whether if I get monetized or no. You understand? So I'm still gonna do my thing. You see me? But then when I start meet people, because even though I'm there pushing, you know, I never know a lot of people, you know. But still used to get up and push. Till me realize say every day I wake up, I start to like 10 subs, 20 subs. The add on. Like from I reach 500 is like glorious moments. Like it just keep coming on. Like every minute I say like 500. I'm saying 500. If I reach 500, it keep climbing. Like today I say 10. Tomorrow I say whatever. But guys, my bin did have the watch hours was there. You understand what I'm telling you before. But then them jump back. Then through me reach the 1 year now, it kinda did sticky for me guys, because it was like a tag and war. Like I saw them come, I saw them come off. I saw them come, I saw them come off. I saw them. You see me, I said shit. I say, oh, I can do this. I'm a sister to run me, Vias I run me, I run myself. Me have lots of devices in the house. I run myself for me there. I'm there at work, I run myself. I get up at night time and I run myself. The laptop it not turn off, but the TV does time out after a certain amount of hours. So it not gonna run straight. I make sure I set my alarm. So when the TV time out, I get up come and say, if I reach this far, nobody say this I do it for fun. Try to really reach the bargain. You understand? So people demanding, because my niece at Trinidad, that Avia's daughter, she have access to my channel. She have full access to my channel. You understand? She's like my own daughter too. Via's kids, they're like my kids too. You understand? So yeah, our big daughter, she have full access to my channel. Everything. Password, everything. So the day she called me or me call, I don't remember. I think she called me and she said, wake up, wake up, wake up now. I was like, Princess, me asleep. She said, wake up. I'm like, what? Look, Princess, I need to come in the camera. You're a nice, pretty pitney, you know. You need to come in the camera. I don't know what she afraid of the camera for. She's so freaking nice. So anyway, guys, she said, wake up, wake up. You reach your watch hours. Because she was so excited. I'm so really excited. She said, come, let me share my computer screen, my laptop screen with her one time. And we set it up. So she share her screen and she set up and things. She said, you want this? I turn on this, I turn on that, I turn on that. And me I tell her, say, when them I say within how much days and stuff things I gonna get to go through and all of that. Me I tell her, say, it's hours in the tech for vroom, vroom, vroom. Me say, I'm not getting no problem. I say, everything just shoot through the door, so whoop, whoop. I say, come like, say, the YouTube thing does the wait for me. You understand? Everything does go shut. Then I wait. When you say if you do the membership now, I do the membership. Next day, I see you say membership accepted. So I said, no man. Then I offer me sitting go so fast. When I ask enough people, them I say 4 or 5 days and 3 days and how much. I don't know, everybody have different experience because some people get problem, some don't. So anyway, I did that, I say, them say the pin for come, but me never know say the pin supposed to come in the mail. Me like an idiot, you know. I start check every day. Even though it don't take long for me to get my pin, guys. It didn't take long for me to get my pin. But honest to God, I've been checking my email, not my mail, my email. Till I think Shelly's live, but them say it's gonna come in at the mail. So me never know that the mail is coming out. I thought it was gonna come in my email. So we keep the check you want to see the other shows. So they not send nothing with no pin or nothing. How if you know the email now? You understand, people? So it come within like 1 week and 5 days, like. You see me? I start check the mail every day, which nobody not going to have mail. I have camera in my yard. Camera around the whole house. So I can monitor the camera from anywhere there. So I start look every minute. That's shit. I need to get my pin. So I can do the next step. Then I see the email coming in now where they say I need to verify my pin. I say no tell me say the pin come and something go wrong. Cause I say nobody in my yard, no trouble, nobody with the mail. So I start worrying on me. I say, Lord Jesus. Which in a reach 2 weeks, you know, I'm there worry. In a reach 2 weeks, you know, you see how I stay? Guys, I'm working my natural hair. Yeah. In a reach 2 weeks, you know, I'm here worry. One day I come home and say, I get my pin. My friend Crystal, she was there waiting for me at my house because she'd have some stuff to drop off. So she was there. I would come out and like see it. I'm like, oh my god, guys! If y'all see my expression, I was super excited. I'm sorry that I'm giving y'all this video while I am ill. I am not doing okay, but I'm trying to put out my best. Una can't see I'm sick. Una can't see it in my eye. You understand? And she was like, "Is that a check?" I said, "No, this is my pin because you know." She not do YouTube, so she don't really understand. So only a person who really do YouTube. I already worked it already, guys. But I really know. So my father was outside, so he was like, what that? So I said, me paying from YouTube for them pay me. So I said, pay, you get paid if you do them video there, if you do video. So I said, me never know, say, you in there. Come I wonder why you always up late at night time and you barely rest on them something there. So I say, yeah. So I say, oh, me never know that. That's why you always up so. You know, so I say, yeah. So it's an actual job you do, man. So that means you have a day job and a night job. So I say, yeah. I say, yeah, but I was so excited, guys. when I get my pin, because me know people who monetize way before me, and God, I know the feeling. It can't be nice when you do so much. But listen, you see, if it take on a long to get on a pin, do not give up. Still push out on a video, because you're not gonna lose on the viewers them and stuff like that. Still push out on a video. You understand? Just pray, because you're not gonna get it. I know everybody, some people get it quick, some take longer than some. You understand? But just go and push out on the videos. Make sure people watch on the ads them and all that. But guys, here you have it. I got my pin. You know, someone was telling me like it's 3 times I go have to select it, but I'm not reach a part yet, so we'll see. But put in here and say verify, I just verify everything, so I don't know what is what. If you know, but I'll sit here to wait. So does this little updates for there go now. And guys, I will be having my monetization party. But not tell no lie, guys. But tell no from day one. So I'm not doing anything until I get my pin. Well, you see when the first check come, I'm telling you, I have to get my pin and get my first check. I could have 1 cent. I have to get the first check first before I do monetization party, because more like I don't know the feeling. Like, you know, sometimes the words is there, but you can't say it. Come on, I cut on no time video now. That's what I'm video straight. I want more feel the feeling of actually getting a check after so much years of always a waste time on internet. Because I always the post you know. If anybody know me, them know me as the queen of posting. Listen, you see when me go out, even though this is my remote, this is always me. I'm a video right show. Before me even know say YouTube can pay people. Girl go out, girl always I'll be a video me video. My video right through. Me I tell you no. You understand? But me I tell other people, do not give up. Don't say I start before this one and I start before that one day. Guys, that year Megan is 1 year since me start YouTube. Yes, I had stopped for like 7 months. You understand? And me not gonna tell no lie. When me I do this, me never know say me would get monetized so fast. Like, honestly speaking, me never know that. Me never know say it reach a point where me actually go up on other people's channel and people actually choreographers like actually know me. You understand? People from all different walks and like actually knows me. You see me? So me don't want to give up. Don't say the one, oh, me start way before this one here, and this happen with this one and this one, and end up get this before me. Do not feel that way. No, just wait your turn. All you have to do is wait your turn, because when you're there to come, it will come good. It's gonna come good. It can be even better than mine. You understand? Just sit and wait and be consistent. If you say I gotta have a Friday live every Friday, it no matter if 100 person do a Friday live, still do a Friday live. If you're gonna have a Saturday live, people looking forward for it, don't make your audience them come and you not do it. I could have come for 10 minutes. Listen to me. Anywhere there, make sure you have internet. If you're there, choco or boko, you check in, hey, such. You know, some of the out and thing, but you know, but just have to check in with them real quick and thing. check in with the people. You understand? Make them know, say, you appreciate them. Yeah, you have to make them know, so you appreciate them. Them I look forward to say. Because guys, I told me work 6 days a week, You know, people I work for, my father I work for, so technically my business father, So me have to work. You see me? Because you see, if me never have to work, so I would have my schedule. When I say like on a Wednesday, every that time I go post. You understand? Because most time when I come home from work, it's in the night time. It's in the night time. Unless I go say, okay, I go take an extra day off in the middle of the week, like a Wednesday or something. If you can do home vlog, different from a Friday. So most of the time is night we really get to do certain stuff. You understand? Sunday is my rest day. Even though I come on some people live, like honestly speaking, Sunday is supposed to be my rest day. Because I tell myself so I don't do nothing on Sunday. But just not give up. Just be consistent. Don't worry about what the next person is doing on their life, guys. Just push out. Because remember, you have people that is looking for you. I have people that is looking forward for me. Everybody have them crowd. You understand? You know much people channel me or I see people where me never see on my channel. Because you go have people who come on your channel, they're not gonna come to mine. Whether they are YouTubers or non-YouTubers, it's gonna have people that's gonna be your supporter and not my supporter. Okay? You understand? So I want you to just keep pushing. No make nothing at all. Remember, it's just 7 days in the week. What we need to understand, it is 7 days in the week. And if it have 200 of us, that is friends. Because if we start call out YouTuber name where we like the clang away, associate with and really rate up, it's more than 150. You understand? And everybody want to grow. Everybody want to build their channel. So if me, they say, okay, let me use myself as an example. Every Friday, I do Turn Up Friday. It have people who had them Friday thing before. Well, me used to do live from day one, regularly, every single night. But because me know so I can't go every night, but I sure say every Friday, I do Turned Up Friday. You understand? Every Friday, I'm doing Turned Up Friday. It have people who have for them every Friday night or every Saturday night or every Sunday night or whichever night, Doesn't mean because me start a Friday or a next person start a Saturday, it doesn't mean you cannot start. Because only a selfish person wouldn't want you to build a channel. Because it's just 7 days in a week. Sometimes when people get chance to do them live and thing, that's the only time they have. You understand? A lot of people work. And the only time they get to build them channel. Sometimes is when all one of them close friends have a live. And them have to do it, and that we just make people vex with it, but people not think. You understand? We all have to grow, we all have to push out. You think say them big YouTuber there, we see just post. And them a friend. You think them does vex and say, oh, why this one of the post while me a post? No. The whole of them want to make money. The whole of them want to go out. The whole of them want to turn up and then want lit. You understand? But we have to understand that this is our big platform. It's a very big platform where all we can grow up on if we use the brain. You understand? All of us can grow on this platform. All of we can grow. We just have to be smart. And stop and take away mind out of the gutter. And don't make, because Corey Good as I do a live, you're discouraged from do a live. Corey Good as drop a video, you're discouraged. You understand? Corey Good as I have a premiere, but I gotta do a premiere. You see me? No. Take your mind out of the gutter. Push your channel. You understand? Don't watch say, oh, this person have one heap of subscribers and whatever. And me not have this. Still push. And me start before the person. Still push. You can do way better than the next person, you know. You know how much people channel me go? And them have some positive things that talk. And when me I say, how the hell? Like example, Yende Phillips. How the hell these people who have a YouTube channel don't reach 1 million yet? And those people are famous. Romain Virgo, all of them people there. And everything on them post is just so positive and refreshing. And their channel is like this. Like for who them is, because them are done celebrity already. You get what I say? They are celebrity already. But make them go post some garbage. Or something like that. Everybody swarm them page. Everybody would swarm them page. Make them go post some something now. You don't see everybody swarm them page. Yep. Most people run down foolishness, slackness, rather than positivity. Guys, I tell you, I go all about. Sometimes when you see me, it have some page, you know. I tell you, I'm straightforward. When I literally staying away from. Because you see, me say you call my name or you talk about me. The worst I know I have proof, so you talk about me. I'm not deal with you. And you say, if you know something you talk about me, do not see me. And nobody channel and call out me. Don't call to me. I'm being honest. As God as my witness. Do not see me on nobody's platform and say curry. Because you might have one of the day when I might feel like me look at head chip. I'm kind of bipolar, you know. I just say that. I'm not bipolar. I look at head chip and I might tell you say go S out or whatever. Do not call my name. You understand? Because I am such a nice person. I am straightforward. I try to be nice with everybody. I try to be so nice with everybody. But some people, them disrespectful and them rude and them calling name and stuff. Listen, if me want to come here and dance and go on my ways, me can do it. My man not have a problem with it. So, my people them don't know say, this is me. I don't pretend to be who I am not. You understand? I don't have to hide what I do. You see me? I don't have to hide. I dip on the internet, I flirt, I laugh, I go along with ways, thing. Most of the time, my man there right here. I wasn't thinking of that. Oh, the man there. What the man there? Yeah. Right here, so. I don't need to hide and do nothing. I be myself. And some only need to be yourself. If you don't know, say, you know this way, push out the character one is and stop portray something different. Because you can't run to time, dick, and you know where they grown and I make trouble for a phone. And I call this one and I call that the one that I talk about this one and I talk. Y'all need to stop it. You need to stop. It don't look good. It have a couple of well about 7 now. No. And you understand? Y'all need to stop. It don't look good. Like honestly, when me just meet a lot of you guys, I was feeling so good. Like if I did not love what I am doing, I would have stopped doing it. May I tell you now, I would have stopped. You see me? But then I realized say this when I go in a certain world, you're gonna come with a lot of hate. You understand? It'll be like example, if a female get big in a certain industry, them see them body. Example, Shensia. What am I to judge? People say she sell her soul. She do this, she do that. She do the style with her ear like a tree, whatever. She get big. When I know sex, she has sex. Why a female cannot just be successful? That are the next thing. Why they can't just be successful? Why is it that them have to do all sort of bad? So when the man them get big, About them do too, for reach them there. All that we can do good on this platform. We all can do good. Trust me. But anyway, people, we're not keeping along. But I just want to live and lead with love. You understand? Love each other. Show each other love. If you know, say, when they grow and offend people, when you know, when you see and laugh with, when you need to apologize. If you don't know, so when you do bad, or go up on phone and go bash out people and talk, when you need to apologize. Because there's a lot of tension going right now, you know. A lot of y'all don't realize, but I realize. That's how I see me take my game. I do my local game, I'm there on the kids them. Because see me and kids, as much as enough I don't like kids, anybody know me. I am a kids friendly person. Me love kids. Me rather they run kids than big people. And because of the COVID, because if COVID never there, trust me, YouTube would have turn up. Because me would have one for kids on my yard. Yes, my nephew and the whole I'm friend them and him cousin them by my mother side. Would have the other house. From upstairs to downstairs would have full up. Yeah. Me is a kids person. That's why I say I just do my games with them. And I have the whole of the picnic them. Because at least I don't have to worry about no stress with them. I don't have to worry about no stress. No. I'd rather deal with them than a lot of these adults. When I worst thing, you know, for people call up my name, you know, I'll call me out of character, you know. And you know the saddest thing about it? Because me have to protect people's feelings and certain things, I mean now cause no mix up on them something there. Else someone would have get called out a long time. You understand? Because I've done nothing. And you know the sad part about it? You know why I feel hurt? People who discuss and bash me and say about me. Them are people who me really did actually love, you know? Like, it actually hurt me. When I tell you say it hurt me, it actually hurts my feelings. Because those are people who actually really did genuinely love. Like, really love. You understand? But I saw you go sometime. You live and you learn. You see me? But certain things don't faze me now. Certain things don't really faze me. You understand? And I should have known say I saw people stay in this life. You see me? Worse if a person feel like say they are intimidated by you. Me just be myself, you know. I don't try to do nothing more than norm. All I do is be myself. And what if me really bring out the real Corey Goodas? Like the real life Corey Goodas. You know that hate me? I'm trying to be as simple as possible. If me bring out the real life Corey Goodas, you know that hate me. Trust me. All I know hate me, you know that hate me. Really hate me. I try to be as simple as possible as on the internet. Trust me. As simple as I can be. So anyway, people, bless up on a nice clean self. Remember, if you are new to my channel, please remember to subscribe, like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend about life with Corey Goodas. Bye guys, I am out. I'm not about to edit up my video, you know. May I drop it same way. Same freaking way. Gotta get a thumbnail. May I drop it same way. I'm not edit it. Bye people.